How to make a Frida wooden spoon. Firstly, paint your gesso, or is it gesso? I don't know. But put it on, put a bit of tape on the bottom and paint it to give that base coat. Just like that. Give it a little dry, make sure it's fully dry, and get ready to get your design together. So draw around the spoon, do your little design, just to give you an idea so you can see what you're looking at. Keep it very simple. Now here I am putting it onto the spoon lightly in pencil. However, I would probably wait until you paint the skin colour first, which you will see as it disappears. So here we go. I first tried using gouache, but it didn't work so well, so I went back to acrylic paints, and there it's much better. A little dry. Good skin tone. And I paint the back as well, just up to the top, and then the hair can be done at the top. Get a little dry. Okay, so get my black paint and I'm ready to, let's see, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm starting with the eyebrows first, so here we are. We get the eyebrows. Frida has a very distinct monobrow? I'm putting the eyes closed to keep it nice and simple for myself, and painting on the hair. I'm using a paintbrush here, but honestly I think paint pens would work a lot better for definitive lines, but it all works quite well too. Get a little dry. Oh, eyelashes. Now these didn't go on very well. That was the joys of a paintbrush and my wonky hand. But now we're drawing in the lips, so I've used a bit of red. There we are. I ended up doing like a wee outline, and I wish I didn't do it, but yeah, I couldn't take it back. And I'm putting a little bit of colour on for the cheeks. Keep the shapes simple. Some flowers in the hair. And now I'm just doing a bit of a wee dress wear, and I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. Do some reds, dread another little bit. Add some black, just give a wee bit more definitive line. Another little dry. Taking off the little paper, you can see it's left a very sharp edge, which is good. And I'm painting the rest blue. I decided to go with blue because I just thought, why not? Nice bright contrasting colour. And there we're getting a little dry. Another little dry, another little dry. Okay, and now I'm putting on this like varnish. I use Liquitex. It's like a gloss. And it really brings up really well. And then I dry it. And here we are, there she is, look at her, it's so cute, so cute. There you are, you can do one too. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much and keep crafting.